And let me just say this, I'm never going to get tired of telling people about how leaving out of the United States literally healed me. I'm a black girl who booked a one-way ticket out of the United States and has been living and traveling abroad ever since. It's been over a year now. And honestly, one of the biggest questions that I get is how to move abroad and how to actually fund your lifestyle once you take that leap of faith. So if you're a black woman who has been thinking about moving out of the United States and honestly, you just don't know where to start, you don't know how you're going to fund yourself and sustain yourself, this video is for you. For more helpful information about how to move abroad, make sure you follow this page, save this video, and watch it all the way to the end because I'm going to be giving you the tea. So first of all, there's so many options. Trusted house sitters. You literally can move abroad, especially if you're someone who has low income and you really just want to travel, you don't know the place in particular that you want to expat to, or you do and you want to get a feel for it. Go on Trusted House Sitters. You can literally do something that they call like a house sit, and you can literally watch someone's pet, and in exchange you can live at a very, very nice house for free. If you are new to the digital nomad expat community, you need to start looking up Trusted House Sitters, seeing people's experiences about their house sits, because it can definitely be a great option, especially if you are someone who is trying to flee from the United States and do so on a budget. Another thing is you can pick up a remote work job that will allow you to live out of the United States. That's an option that people do, especially if they are trying to make more income. And a lot of y'all are like, oh, you may be struggling with finding remote work, and I definitely understand that. And remote work and Trusted House Sitters is not the avenue that me and my best friend took. I moved out of the United States with my best friend, and the avenue that we took was actually using social media and having our own online businesses. So basically, we created our own remote work jobs. We work for ourselves. We have multiple successful online businesses, and our social media platforms are also monetized. So if you are a black woman and you want to learn how you can build your own personal brand, build your online community so you can actually sustain yourself while living abroad, definitely DM me, comment below, or comment below, so that way I can send you all some helpful resources. Me and my best friend, we have a digital guide that can teach you how to build your personal brand and how to monetize your social media, even if you have a small following. And also, we're hosting another social media masterclass. For those of you who missed it, it will be on August 15th, and we will break down everything you need to know about building your personal brand, monetizing on social media, even if you have a very small following, and also just how to actually build your own online business so you can have workplace freedom and generate more income and actually just get a lot of the benefits that can come from you putting yourself out there in the most positive way in this digital space. So honestly, move abroad, take the leap of faith, do your research, and honestly, just trust God. If God has put it in your heart for you to take a leap of faith and start your living abroad journey, especially as a black woman, do it. There are options for you. Black women are leaving solo. Black women are leaving with their families. Me and my best friend, we left together. You do not have to stay in the place that has made you sick, and there are definitely options for you to thrive. I love you. God loves you more. If he put it in your heart for you to take that leap of faith, go ahead and do that, and I know he's going to make it work out for you. If y'all have any questions, comment them down below and I will be happy to help. Love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.